Znači težina poletanja, kao što smo rekli, 52.200 za full length runway 32, vetar 251 čvor, 24 stepena, 10-15 dry runway anti-ice off, daje brzine za poletanje 38-43 sa flexom 80, green dot 189, margina 31 metar. To smo poslali jednom, a kod ne, evo i drugi put.
Da se vidi raspad.
Da. Clearance si tražio, nisi tražio?
Nisam tražio ništa.
Ok, možeš da zatražiš clearance, mada po svojoj prilici daće nam ono što je već uobičajeno, Nikšić 4 Tango.
Zapisat ću zadnji vreme.
Da, 500 fita u pravcu, pa onda u levo 198, interceptuje se 337 outbound od Romeo Oskara prema Desolu 6000 ili više, pa onda u levo na Taz 345. I nakon toga idemo na Nikšić. To je sve ubačeno u boksu. Rad na page-u ima Podgorica VOR, evo je ovde, i staza je 3.2. Dobro, Tivat 3.2. Performans smo zajedno proverili i popunili 38-43, flaps 1, nose up 0.8 sa flexom 80. Ono što smo rekli, 1100-3000 da bi što pre se izvukli, engine out je 1100 fita. Secondary bi bio copy active. Znači, sve smo završili, Beograd Tivat, Alfa Sierra Lima, Tivat Beograd, Alfa Sierra Lima 42 Papa, level 320, on ovde daje 355, vidjet ćemo šta će, ako je vreme onako kao kad smo dolazili, ići ćemo gore, ako nije, ostaćemo malo niže, tako da težinu i ovo smo proverili. I možeš ti da se javiš njemu.
Tivat, ja sam bio Papa prvo. Ladies weather and experience.
Before to Papa, before runway 32, visibility about the kilometers, cloud speed 2600, temperature 2, dew.19, unit 5015, and to destination 10,000 feet, run November India kilo. 4 tango departures, Boka, 4142.
105, Nikšić, World Tango, 10,000, 4142 is pošto Papa, pardon.
Yes, before to Papa, coming correct.
Znači, ono što smo rekli, 10,000 set i transponder 4142, before start checklist, completed, removed, auto and on, 3 times, imamo 4900,
Pil 1 za vas, ovim mi poslužite, potpišite, ostalo imamo sve, idemo na vrijeme.
Tuneć 1015 set. Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, dobroveče i dobrodošli na Airbus 319 Air Srbije na večerašnji let između Tivta i Beograda. Zamolio bih vas za malo pažnje, govori vam kapetan aviona, moji večeras u posadi sa mnom je moj kolega, prvi oficir kopilot. U ime posade Air Srbije mi vam želimo srdečnu dobrodošlicu uz par kratkih informacija u vezi našeg leta, a od Tivta do Beograda letit ćemo 40 minuta našom standardnom rutom uz delimično oblačno vreme i moguću povremenu blagu turbulenciju. Startovanje motora očekujemo na vreme, a na bazi posljednjih meteo podataka iz Beograda prijatno veče sa slabim promenljivim vetrom, dok je temperatura 25 stepeni. Ja vam se zahvaljam na pažnji i u ime cele posade vam želim prijatan let. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, this is your captain speaking. On behalf of my crew, I wish you very welcome aboard Airbus 319 Air Serbia on our flight from Tivat to Belgrade. Flight time today will be approximately 40 minutes and the weather on our route will be partly cloudy with possible very light turbulence. Also, according to last weather report from Belgrade, weather is mostly sunny, temperature is plus 25 degrees centigrade. Thank you for attention and I wish you a pleasant flight. Okay, starting engine number 1, može pre toga before, below the line, closed, is on, idle, parking brake is set to park. Bleed is on, pressure checked i starting engine number 1.
Dame i gospodo, na letovima Air Srbije obavezno je nošenje zaštitnih mask za lice za sve putnike i članove posade. Da bismo sačuvali zdravlje svih nas, neophodno je zaštitnom maskom pokriti usta i nos za sve vreme trajanja leta, osim kada konzumirate hranu i piće. Hvala što poštujete ovu obavezu.
Ladies and
After
gentlemen,
NG1 start
wearing
checklist.
face masks is mandatory on Air Serbia flights for both passengers and crew. In order to ensure the safety of everyone on board, we are all required to wear a mask covering our mouth and nose for the entire duration of the flight, except while eating or drinking.
Open.
Thank you for
Is on.
complying with this requirement.
Off. Textures.
Serbia Porto Papa, taxi through Bravo, back to China Private Street.
Left side clear.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting the preparation for our departure. All electronic devices must be switched off. Mobile phones are required to be switched off or set into flight mode. Passengers with Apple MacBook Pro devices are kindly reminded that these units cannot be turned on or
Is
charged
clear line up and back track via Bravo checked.
Cabin crew immediately if your device is damaged, hot, produces smoke or loss.
Left side is clear. Može i start engine number 2.
Dame i gospodo, i u slučaju da često letite, molimo vas da obratite pažnju na našu bezbednosnu demonstraciju.
Ladies and gentlemen, even if
Checked.
you are a frequent traveler, please watch and listen carefully as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft.
Stabilized and start timing. After start engine 2.
Materials should be extinguished when oxygen is needed.
Ovaj avion
Je off. Auto. Off. Checked. Off.
Imajte na umu da najbliži
277.
There are 6 exits in this aircraft.
277, radar 3 mizir.
2 at the front,
Flight controls checked.
2 at the rear of the aircraft. Please keep in mind that the nearest emergency exit is behind your seat. Следете за знакът Турска najbliži.
And radar.
U slučaju evakuacije, pratite instrukcije posade.
Full path marking will guide you to the nearest exit. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, follow the cabin crew instructions.
Još nije gotovo.
In case of an emergency landing on water, your life jacket is under
Checked. Also checked. Confirmed. Config 1+F. 138, 138, 143 sa flexom 80. Set.
Nazvajte po napuštanju aviona kada izađete na krivo. Nikako pre.
Three minutes time out. Parking brake set to park.
Very secure.
Resume with checklist. Take off no blue light. 324 light. Advised. TARA. Normal. Is on.
We are ready, so Serbia 42 Papa, clear takeoff, private 3 crew, wind calm.
I have controls takeoff. Manual flex 80 SRS navigation auto thrust je blue. Check. Get up. Now. Thrust, climb auto thrust. Climb.
Serbia 42 Papa, continue climb flight level 120. You may proceed left visual direct to Adriatic Kilo.
November climbing 120, Serbia 42.
Set direct to November India Kilo.
Samo rekao,
Nema potrebe. A ne, ja sam...
42 Papa, contact Podgorica 165
3 fly, 153, Serbia 42. Da spusti malo radar.
Ne, mislio sam da hoćeš flaps.
Podgorica, dobar dan, Serbia 42 Papa, mix,
Serbia 42 Papa, Podgorica, radar identified. Inlet direct to Elgin, flight level 160.
160 to Elgin, Serbia 42.
Da, set direct Elgin i flaps 0.
Elgin with the beams, speed check, flaps 0.
After takeoff, climb
Landing gear,
up,
flaps
retracted,
X.
is on speed 220, autopilot is on. Može. Set standard,
Set. Cross check, massive, 10.000 sat.
plus 10.
Baro ref,
Standard set,
Serbia 42 Papa, clear direct to Risan.
Risan, Serbia 42. Airport status, hoćeš, može si brati.
možeš.
Evo, rad nav, secondary cockpit,
Visok direct set, with the beam points, level 160. Check.
Optimum 275.
Pa da kažem da 2.7 će nam dati.
Serbia 42 Papa, radar to Risan,
Tivat.
2-8 is fine.
280 set. 280 set. Dobro. Speed constraint. Delete. Evo ga. I weather radar je off za sada. 10,000 items, rad nav clear, secondary copy, to smo završili. Config 3, 1015, 25 stepeni, 356 čvorova, transition 110, minimum korigovani 597. Standardno low auto brake, pa na Charlie, Bože zdravlju. Margina 917, brzina 29, evo to se slaže i ovdje. Off ATC. Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, još jednom dobar dan iz pilotske kabine. Zamolim za još malo pažnje gore na kompletan aviona. Lagano se penjemo na naše visine krstarenja. Ali mi dozvolite da vam kratko saopštim nekoliko informacija interesantnih i vezanih za naš večerašnji let. 40 minuta ćemo leteti od Tivata do Beograda našom standardnom rutom. Proletet ćemo udaljenost od 300 nautičkih milja ili 550 km. A nakon poletanja sa Tivatskog aerodroma u pravcu severozapada i dostizanja bezbedne visine iznad grada Tivata u levom zaokretu iznad Kotorskog zaliva, napravili smo levi zaokret, preleteli aerodrom Tivat i uputili se preko Kotora u pravcu Nikšića, a trenutno preko Zlatibora, nakon toga Čačka, Valjeva i Obranovca. Nastavljamo naš put ka beogradskom aerodromu Nikola Tesla, na koju očekujemo sletanje u 19 časova i 25 minuta. Inače, za vašu informaciju, večeras ćemo leteti na visini od 28.000 fita, što je negde oko 8.400 metara, prosječnom brzinom od oko 400 nautičkih milja ili 720 km na čas, uz delimično oblačno vreme i moguću povremenu blagu turbulenciju. U Beogradu nas očekuje prijatno veče, vetar je za sada slab promenljivog pravca i temperatura je 25 stepeni. Ja vam se zahvaljujem na pažnji, u ime cele posade vam želim prijatan ostatak leta. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good evening from Bay of Kotor speaking. We are slightly climbing to our cruising altitude, and according to our standard operating procedure, I would like to give you some more information about our flight. This evening from Tivat to Belgrade, we should fly approximately 40 minutes, and we are flying our standard routing, and for this time we should cover the distance of approximately 300 nautical miles or 500 kilometers, and after departing from Tivat airport to the northwest, we are climbing to safe altitude over the sea and in front of Tivat town, and after that in left turn we are proceeding via Tivat airport to Kotor, overflying Risan and Nikšić, and proceeding after that via mountains Zlatibor, Čačak, Valjevo and Obrenovac to Belgrade. Expecting landing at Belgrade airport Nikola Tesla at 25 minutes past 7 o'clock local time PM. This afternoon and evening we fly at altitude 28,000 feet. It's approximately 8,500 meters with speed around 400 nautical miles per hour or 720 kilometers per hour. On our route, weather is partly cloudy with possible light turbulence. According to last weather report from Belgrade, weather is still mostly sunny with wind from northwest up to 10 knots, and the temperature at the moment is plus 25 degrees centigrade. Thank you for attention and the wish of flashback. I'll start. Evo opet malo radar ovdje, nešto maskirano, pa onda da ne bi...
Good evening, preparamo 6737, Navy, level 4.
Ready for descent. Level 160, L blue, mark descent set.
Diesel 106, blue, climb level 360. Turbo 360 with 1062, thank you. Romanian 2004, contact 133.0, 150. 133.150, the same, Roman 2004. Belgrade, Albania 2011.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have commenced our descent. Please place your luggage in the storage compartment or under the seat. Make sure that the seat back is in the upright position, the tray table secured, armrests down and window blinds open. Mobile phones must be switched off or set into flight mode. All other electronic devices must be switched off.
Albania 2011, requesting final 380.
Is located in the seat pocket in front of you. Study it carefully and please return it to its place for briefings. During our preparations for arrival, we are required to suspend the service. Thank you. All business class and economy comfort tower passengers continuing their journey with our company, as well as Etihad Guest Gold or Platinum members, have complimentary access to the Air Serbia Premium Lounge. All other passengers can purchase lounge access. For more information, visit Air Serbia's website. Thank you.
Weather radar je off.
Adriatic Sea, Papa, you are number 1, island runway 30, not the restrictions.
No restrictions, Samo 1 sat.
Minus 10. $8,000 L block. Thrust tidal open descent set. $3,200 Tupko direct set. Seat belts. Može.
Dame i gospodo, kapetan je uključio znak za obavezno vezivanje pojasa. Molimo da se vratite na vaše središte i vežete pojas. Hvala.
Confirmed. Check. Is on. QNH 1015 2 puta set. P97 set. Normal. Yankee Bravo Echo 199 identified.
Pripremi za sletanje, molimo vas da vežete pojaseve i proverite da su vam nasloni sedišta uspravljeni. Podsjećamo vas da upotreba električnih uređaja nije dozvoljena. Hvala.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please fasten your seatbelt and ensure that your seat back is in the upright position. The use of electronic devices is not permitted. Thank you.
Reducing speed 250. Vertical speed minus 1000 set. Yes, of course.
Otvoren do Dalmatia.
To outer marker runway 30 and this visual approach left yesterday the runway 30.
Visual 30 Serbia for the platform and left to automatic.
Serbia for the Boka, just next report then runway side.
Runway already inside Serbia platform.
Excellent, Serbia for the Boka, contact tower 118.1 Vietnam.
Flips on.
SRB 42 Papa, Belgrade Oran, dobar dan, runway 30, clear to land, wind 360 degrees, 5 knots.
Gear down. Flaps 3. Landing checklist. Advised. Speed. Low. Landing no blue light.
2,500.
Check. Vertical speed minus 1000 set. Get 3 dual autopilot 1 and 2, localizer glide slow blue.
Eurotrans Standard 43, taxi first to the left, then via Golf Alpha holding point 30. Golf Alpha holding point 30, Eurotrans Standard 43.
Speed is managed.
Wind 360 degrees, 5 knots.
Lock star. Lock. Sad ćemo kad krene dole. Glide slope start. 3000 missed approach set. Kad krene dole vidjet ćemo šta će da pokaže.
1000.
On profile. Autopilot disconnect.
500.
Checked.
$400. 100 above. 300. Minimum.
Continue.
200. 100. 50. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Liver screen, diesel.
Auto brake visor. Manual braking. Non-standard start APU.
SCB Force 2 Papa stand Charlie 2 via Foxtrot do slušanja prijetno.
Charlie 2, prema Foxtrot, SCB Force 2.
After landing.
6 flaps.
Retract. Scissor.
APU.
Impulse.
Radar.
Off.
Predictive and shift.
Also off.
Dame i gospodo, molimo vas da ostanete na sedištima dok se avion potpuno ne zaustavi i dok ne bude isključen znak za vezivanje poreševa.
Kad smo sleteli?
Budite pažljivi prilikom otvaranja gornjih polica. Pre izlaska iz aviona proverite da li ste poneli ćav prtljag. Nadamo se da vam je let sa nama bio prijetan. U ime kapetana i svih članova posade zahvaljujemo vam se što ste leteli Air Srbijom i radujemo se novom susretu na nekom od naših sledećih letova.
Airbus 319 Charlie 2. Check.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. We kindly ask you to take care when opening the overhead stowage compartments, and please ensure that you collect all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. We hope you had a comfortable flight. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, thank you for flying with Air Serbia, and we are looking forward to welcoming you on our flights again. Thank you and goodbye.
Parking brake set to park. Brake pressure is checked. Engine number 2. Engine number 1. And
Tower, Sprinter 1 at 9.
Drugi sam doze dešću.
i parking checklist
APU bleed
is on.
engines
Off.
seatbelts
Bit će
extended lights
set. Off. Parking brake set. Šta da ti kažem? Bilo mi je drago, hvala ti na društvu. Dobro. Vidim da prilazi pa onda.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your boarding pass and receive various benefits.
Grand Cockpit,
Dobar dan želim.
dobar dan, želim i ja vama, dobrodošli kako.
Fenomenalno. Avion ispravan, 3 tone i 200 kg ostalo u avionu.
Paži, to je lepo čuti. Evo, možete da parkirate, a uskoro stiže instruktor.
Hvala lepo, break release, sve u redu, vidimo se.
Paži, prijetno.
Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, još jednom vaš kapetan, dobrodošli na beogradski aerodrom Nikola Tesla. 19 časova i 26 minuta je po lokalnom vremenu. Spoljna temperatura je 25 stepeni Celzijusove skale i dozvolite mi da vam se kao kapetan vođa vazduhoplova u ime posade i kompanije Air Serbia zahvalim na ukazanom poverenju u nadi da smo ispunili bar deo vaših očekivanja i da ćete usluge Air Serbia koristiti u budući. Hvala vam na pažnji, prijetan boravak ili nastavak putovanja i doviđenja. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your captain from flight deck. Welcome to BEG Airport Nikola Tesla. The moment is 26 minutes past 7 o'clock local time PM. With mostly sunny weather and outside temperature plus 25 degrees centigrade, and also we hope that can enjoy our flight. Thank you for flying by Air Serbia and goodbye. Još jednom hvala ti. Bilo je ovo brzo i ekspeditivno.
I lepo, bez...
Very quickly, it's open the door.
Sve kako treba.